in a gold rim Tesla, that's not cheap. Everything I do is electric on these streets. Walk up in the mall like I'll take one of each. It all looks good on me, it's good on me, babe. I always choose the priciest shoes, and I drape my shoulders in purple wrap.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another hair tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this sleek, messy bun in less than 10 minutes out the door. First, if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you stick around, like this video, comment, hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I do post other videos. If you are returning, welcome back, my magic superstars. Okay, and without further ado, we are going to get right into doing this messy bun. Let's get started. All right, superstars, what we're going to need to achieve this look is a bundle of deep wave hair. This is an old bundle, but it's human hair, so make sure you get human. I've had this for a year. You're going to need some open bobby pins, closed bobby pins, maybe like 6 or 7 of each. And you're going to need a hardwood brush and a open tail comb, or wide tooth comb I should say, to comb through your hair. And just in case you got more tangles, you're going to need your dim-in brush. Also, you're going to need your wet line gel or whatever gel you use, and your trusty dusty water bottle. I think that's it. If you have really wavy hair like me, I use a method. I use my tail comb to straighten out my waves, but you'll see that later. So let's get started. All right, we're going to start on freshly shampooed hair, detangled. Let's make sure it's detangled, towel dry. You want it kind of mostly dry, not soaking wet, so that your hair won't be wet underneath the ponytail. So we're gonna comb through our hair, make sure it is fully detangled before we start applying the water and the gel. Okay. Once it is fully detangled, you are just going to spray the water all around the edges and the back perimeter. Remember, your ends of your hair, you don't want to get those too wet because you don't want your hair to be wet underneath the ponytail. It'll start sinking. All right. We'll comb it through a little bit, just on those edges. Now we're going to take our wet line gel and we are going to slap it all around the edges. Nice and good. Take your wide tooth comb and start combing up in the back, all the way up, all the way up. Once you do that, put a little bit more wet line gel going up. Some more on the sides. This side. Okay. Now we're going to take our hardwood brush. If your hair gets tangled when you put in gel, you can go over it with the dim-in a little bit. Mine really doesn't, but I'm doing it for the sake of the video. Then take your brush and start smoothing up, your hardwood brush. Start smoothing up all the way up. Like so. Okay. I did mention that y'all need 2 scrunchies, right? You need 2 scrunchies. One for your ponytail and then one, well, I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's start pulling our hair up into the ponytail. As tight as you can get it. And don't worry about the waves right now because we're gonna slick that to a little bit more. But you can go over it with your brush, your hard brush, a little bit. Squeeze as tight as you want. Same thing in the back. You can hold your ponytail and go up like this and grab the hair again. And that will ensure that it is nice and tight. Okay, so you're gonna take your first scrunchie and make your ponytail. Make sure all of your hair is grabbed into the scrunchie. Okay. All right. You can pull it tight like that. And as you see, it's nice and slick, but we still gonna go over it. If you like your little waves, then you can leave your waves. So go over with your hand. Smooth. Nice and smooth. Okay. All right. So now what I like to do is like go over it with the wet line, and then I'll take my tail comb, and this will make it very smooth. And you just take it like that. Like that. I didn't leave out my little tendrils. I wonder if, well, I can brush them out. Let's do that now. I like tendrils on the side, so I usually brush it out. Please don't let me have to take this all the way down. No. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that out. Same thing on the other side. Put a little wet line on the side so I can brush it out. And if your hair is long, real long, then make sure you take your tendrils out before it goes up into the ponytail, or you'll be yanking your hair out. Okay, so I like my little tendrils on the side, as you see. Okay, so now, this is important. This is gonna determine the length, the height of your bun. So you'll take your other scrunchie that you had. If your hair is long, like way up here, then you just gonna take it and bend your ponytail like that. My hair isn't long, so I'm just gonna bend it a little bit. So depending on the length of your hair, you will bend it, and then you'll just put the scrunchie right there. So it'll stick straight up like alfalfa. Just like that. And so that's going to determine the height of your bun. So if you don't want your bun real high, take the ponytail down a little bit. And okay. So now we can do our little baby hairs. For the sake of the video, I'm not using edge control because I literally take my ponytail down every day and redo it. So I'm just going to use the wet line for my baby hair. But you can use your edge control on this part, whatever your favorite edge control is, if you know how to keep your hair up. My hair does, I sleep very well. So I just do this, brush down some baby hair on both sides. Yeah, I'm sorry about my dog barking. That's why I don't never do talking videos, because he always barking. But for today, we're doing, I hope it doesn't sound too bad. It probably does. I'm sorry, y'all. And then we're gonna do some more on this side. Oop, I don't like that. Let's do it again. And bring that down. And then put a little bit more gel on my little tendril. Okay, that was easy. Now we are going to do, I like to do my little back too. Bring down my little back hairs on the side. Same thing on the other side. Oop, 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 oop. Same thing on the other side. Bring it down. All right, we are ready. Now, what I do for the hair, if you have a whole bundle, you're going to fold your bundle. I have two separate half bundles actually. And this hair has been co-washed and conditioned. So deep wave. This is 12 inch. You can do 10, but if you want your bun to be high, you want to do 12. So you're going to take your bundle, fold it in half. So pretend like this is a whole bundle, but it's two separate half bundles. Fold it in half. Then you're going to take it and fold it again into a quarter. Okay. 1 second, I'm about to shut this dog up. All right, as I was saying, we're folding our bundle. So now you're going to fold it into a quarter. So you're going to have like 4 pieces, and I'm going to show you. Wait a minute. Okay. So see how that's like 4 pieces? Just like that. And what you're going to do is, to make it easier to wrap around, at the middle part, take a closed bobby pin, just like that, and put it, make sure you have all 4 pieces of the bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Close up the bundle. You can do this beforehand, which will will speed up the process. I just didn't do that because I want to show you guys. So put the bobby pin right there, and then do it again on the end of the hair. Another bobby pin. At the end. And that just makes the process easier when you're wrapping the ponytail around. All right, let's get started. So we're going to take our first bobby pin, and when you do stick this in, make sure you're sticking it into the ponytail, not your scalp, or it will start poking you and you'll be ripping this ponytail out your head by the end of the day. So make sure the bobby pin goes into your ponytail. Okay, start in the front. Remember, stick the pin in the ponytail. And just start wrapping it around. I only use 1 bobby pin. That's all you're gonna need. You don't need a million bobby pins because you're gonna wind up sticking yourself. You're good. You don't need all that. Ooh, and I messed up. You need 3 ponytail holders. Not 1, not 2, 3. See? Okay, now we'll secure it with 1 more bobby pin. I know I said 1 bobby pin, but I'm tweaking. Into the ponytail, not your scalp. Into the ponytail, not your scalp. Okay, once you got the hair on like that, you literally are going to push it over your ponytail. Make sure you grab all the hair, not unless you want it to hang down, but for this purpose, we're going to grab all of it. All of it. Just like that. You're going to take another ponytail holder. So you need 3 in total. I know I said 2, but I'd be messing up. Okay. And then you're going to just take this ponytail holder and wrap it around. Like that. On top. Now you can pull out the hair however you want to do it, and you're going to take this. Now you got your open hairpins. You're going to take this and just wrap it around underneath the ponytail like so, and then secure it with your open hairpin. You can secure it with a closed hairpin too, but. Okay, and then after you do that, take some more open hairpins and just kind of shape, take this, the way this open hairpin is, take it, and then you're gonna bring this down so that you can kind of shape your ponytail. So you're gonna bring that in like that. These open hairpins can kind of go into your hair. You don't have to worry about putting it in a ponytail because it's not gonna hurt you. They don't stick in your head as much. So you want to shape it all around. Make sure you don't have any loose ends or whatever. Okay, something right here. And then you can kind of like take a piece out if you want. Wait, take it from the top, y'all. Don't take it from the bottom. If you want to, you don't have to, but that just gives it the little messy effect. If you want to take it out. I didn't want to take that out there. I want to take it out the top. We're going to put that back. I'm going to take another piece off the top. Like that. Let's put this back. Okay. And guys, there you have it, just like that. Messy bun in less than 10 minutes, out the door. You are good to go. All right, superstars, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will once again subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and hey, go ahead and watch some of my other videos. You see them in the corners. You see them. Watch the other videos. All right, I'm acting silly, y'all. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.